Okay, YouTubers, got an update. Okay, so I got the caliper bolted on, brackets welded in. I got my homemade disc brake rotor here. Looks pretty damn straight. So, and then, yep. So I got brakes. Well, a brake. Should be all I need. So, yeah, I got throttle, brakes. Yeah, so looking pretty good so far. I wish I would have bought a nicer handle, but oh well. It's all working good. So don't like the spring back on that. I might put another spring on it. So, but yeah, it's coming together. But like I said, this is the disc brake. This is a rotor I built. It literally cost me probably at the most $3 to build, if that. And in my previous video, it showed you what you got to do to make sure it's straight. And so far, I think it is. Oops. Bike's going forward, rubbing on some stuff. There we go. So, anyways, that's what I got for now. Got to build my seat bracket, and I bought a gas tank I have coming. I'm gonna really modify the heck out of it, but at least I have a tank coming. All right, I'll get you more updates.